I'm Rowan Foster and I'm an expert in physical and mental well-being. This is Growth Factor and our aim is to provide you with a toolbox of life skills so that you become better at navigating through life's adversities. After spending much of my life fighting to overcome my own struggles with mental health and life setbacks, I'm now on a journey to discovering the many different methods that we can use to not only cope, but thrive in times of adversity. In this channel, I will explore many of the holistic methods that we can use to promote personal growth as well as positive well-being, so that you can instead be empowered to live your best life.